We are on the last lesson for this chapter. Are all of you ready? Today, we will use multiplication facts to do division. There are 12 cars. How can we pack them equally into 2 boxes? We will have to divide them. 12 divided by 2 equals 6.
If you are unsure, you can check your answers using multiplication facts. Since 2 multiplied by 6 equals 12, therefore 12 divided by 2 equals 6. You got that? Then let's try one more. Let's split these 10 soft toys between the 5 of us. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Let's check our answers. 2 multiplied by 5 equals 10. Therefore, 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Everyone will get 2 soft toys.
Aww, we finished the toy chapter. Well, let's do a quiz then.